Hey, what's Gucci, everybody? Your boy Sneak back with another one, and look what came in today. Instagram decals, and these are like silver hologram, the same that my YouTube decal on the back of my car is. You know what I'm saying? Holographic silver. So we'll put these on today. The only thing is, you see it has an @ sign up in there, you know what I'm saying? Got the little Instagram logo and, you know what I'm saying, my Instagram name, but I don't want this @ symbol up in there. So that's the reason I got these scissors with me. So I'm pretty much just gonna cut on both sides of this, you know what I'm saying? Put the Instagram logo and then put my name right beside, you know what I'm saying? 'Cause I don't like the way that look with that up in there. So I'm gonna do, I ordered more than this, but I'm gonna just use these two for right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut them, and I'm gonna be putting them on my rear windows on both sides. So I'm just gonna be using two. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut these joints right now. I'm gonna prep my window. I just so happen to have everything with me right now. You know what I'm saying, some microfiber, cloth, and some detailing spray. So I'm gonna clean my window off real good. Well, I'm gonna cut these first, clean my window off, but then go ahead and apply these. You know what I'm saying? This will just be a quick information on how to apply vinyl. I know I did something like this before. You know what I'm saying? But hey, sit back and enjoy, you know what I'm saying, and y'all get to see the finished product of adding this Instagram decal on the side. So see y'all in a second. Alright, now one more thing that I did that I didn't show on camera was I trimmed the top and bottoms off of this too. And the reason for that is, and I did it with the Instagram logo as well, so that I can get this as low as I want it sitting on my window. Because when you got, you know, an extra big strip, all of this space is, you know what I'm saying, space that this isn't gonna be allowed to go lower easily. You could do it, but you know what I'm saying, it's much easier to just cut this part off as opposed to, you know what I'm saying, putting it and then you have the sticky layer, you know what I'm saying, somewhere in your car or something like that. You want all that getting on the window. So I would recommend trimming any decal that you get, really, you know what I'm saying, to trim some of that excess off, just so you can, you know, just so it'll help better, you know, with the placement of this. So one extra thing I did, but yeah, let's go ahead and clean this window up and get this sucker up on here. Alright, so I got my detailing spray. I'm gonna go ahead and clean both windows to make sure I got a clean surface to apply my vinyl on. So make sure you let it dry as well. And for the purposes of this video, I'm only gonna show y'all one side. I'm not gonna show y'all both sides. It's just gonna be the same thing on the other. So make sure you clean surface. Good. You're gonna let it dry. Alright, so I'm pretty sure I got my spacing down on how I want it up here. Pretty much gonna be something similar to that. I have the whole thing. I don't know if y'all can see. Alright, yeah, there we go. So I'm gonna have the whole thing, you know, within, what do you call this? Like the part of the mirror that's like real black on the outside, and then the part of the mirror that you can actually see through on the back of these Camaros. And I'm blocking all the light, but yeah, I don't know if y'all can see that. There go one edge. Oh. And then the other edge right here, this corner is where it's gonna stop, and right here is where it's, you know what I'm saying, it's gonna start on both sides. So it's pretty much gonna take up the same space on both sides. I'm gonna wipe this off again, get any finger smudges off it, and then it's time to put it on. And here go my squeegee wedge, what I'm gonna be using to put it on there. So I'm gonna start with the Instagram logo decal, and pretty much what you want to do is get it started, peel the back of this off, like the white part. There we go. Call it the transfer paper. Yeah. Now with this, like I said, I noticed my spot I want to start at. But you want to do this in one shot, so try not to mess up. Put it as low as I can get it. Right in my spot. Boom. You can start with one side or one corner, one edge, and then just work your way up. I usually try to end with a corner to make sure you're getting all those air bubbles out, and go from the middle and go out each side, everywhere. You know, you really just want to, at this point, you just want to, you know, just make sure you work it into your window real good. And while that one's still on there, before I take this this clear film off, I think I'm gonna go ahead and do the second part of this. So again, same thing. I'm gonna take this transfer paper off. And be careful with this part to make sure that you're not pulling, you know, letters or anything off. Make sure it's sticking to that transfer paper. What you want to do is once you get to a letter, you want to bend the transfer paper back. So at the start of each letter, I was all friends. Start of each letter, you bend, get a corner, and then you can start pulling. You just want to make sure you're not pulling any of your letters with you. There you go. Make sure no parts of this get stuck to anything either. This S is tricky. There we go. Alright, so try to start with one. How am I gonna do this? All right, there we go. Same thing. Like that. Boom. So I'm gonna work these decals in with this wedge right quick, and I'm probably gonna let that stay on there for, I usually do about 15 minutes, you know what I'm saying? Then I'm gonna come back and peel off the clear film on this. So like I said, it's gonna be the same thing the other side, so I'm not gonna show y'all that. I'm just gonna come back when it's time to peel this off and for the true reveal. So I'll catch y'all in a second. Alright, so I feel like it's been a good while, and as well as the little wedge squeegee, I also just go over it with my finger. You know what I'm saying? Make sure it sticks real well. But everything is ready to come off now, so let's get it. We just start the corner, transfer paper, and you get a corner to start on. The same premise as taking the back off of this. You know, you want to come at an angle to these. To your numbers and letters or whatever. All right. Yes sir, squat. Alright, now for me, not done yet. Even after that, I still come behind that and try to smooth and push it down. So I'll give it one more go pushing it down with this and then my finger, and after that pretty much let it rock, let it stick, let it continue to do its job, and if you did it correctly it should stick. So that's pretty much gonna be it for this video. Just help you at all, or you just enjoyed it, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. While you at it, make sure you go ahead and follow me on Instagram, sneak_804. Like I said, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Like, if you got any questions or want to chop it up, hit up the comment box, and I'll holler at y'all in the next one. Peace out for now. Squat.